everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am super happy to introduce you to the Callie Crossbody bag by Sew Yours. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it is a squishy, slouchy type bag. It is so nice. Underneath this decorative panel you have a hidden zipper pocket that goes all the way across. It's a super great size. Got beautiful decorative rivets down the side. On the back, you have a large sideways pocket that goes all the way across the length. A top zipper closure, adjustable crossbody strap. And on the inside, I put my signature zipper pocket with decorative overlay, as well as two decorative slip pockets. This is such a good everyday bag. It is lightweight. It isn't too big. It isn't too small. You can wear it on your shoulder. You could wear it as a crossbody. You can do whatever you like. It is very versatile. This bag can be made in all cottons. It can be made in all vinyls. It can be made in a mixture of both like I have done here. Yeah. So if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these in your choices of fabrics, hardwares, etc., you know what to do. All of that information is down below in the description. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it isn't up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.